We start first until evenly messy. Really intricate man. If the tires of Bullock like this can't be washed right away. Here, if directly washed. I guess we can't do it if we don't believe it. Huh? Well, he's still Bullock, right? Well then how about let it shiny? Like the original, like new, like this. The first way we prepare like this, friends. This is vegetable oil. Well, continue, we love. This is friends of. Okay, a little like this. If we have stirred first, friends, is it stir until evenly distributed? Yes. We stir first until evenly must be running. Mixed, guys, yeah? Well, we stir it up to mix it up like this. This is science, guys, yeah? Well, this is the nugget. I open it all, so that my friends understand. Yeah. Yes, okay? Well, a quick way anyway, yeah? Here, when you mix it like this, we give water. Yes, the white was like this. Well, if you have, we stir it up again. See ya. Well, when it's like this, directly, we prove, yeah. That my friends understand, yeah. So, like this. Let it be shiny. Kayak new again. This is not what we prove. Well, so, let there be a difference later, guys. The shit all fell out, yeah. Seen by my friends. Okay, let the friends know, yeah. The important thing is to know how friends are. It's like this, my friend. Then yo, we rub it again. Well, seen ya up into the purpose, friend. Yeah, the shit is gone. Yeah. Yes, directly. That's, guys, like, this is seen. We wipe first. Let my friends see the difference. See ya. We lap again. If less, we add more. Okay? Add more. Add more. Let it be. Really? Kayak new. Again. Friends. So, it's shiny black. Well, when it's like this, then we use the rag, yes? In this direction, friends. You guys can see for yourself. Well, okay, shiny, if you like.